Guys, seriously, I'm not a fan of Michael's car. It's so low. Anyways, what's up, you guys? It's been a minute, but I need to get back to normalcy, so that's what we're doing. We're just moving forward with life. And I always feel so short driving his car. Like, I gotta rise up. I am going grocery shopping. That's how I did to take you guys along with me. I have to, oh good lord, I have to go to a different city to go grocery shopping because I typically shop at Aldi's, but our Aldi's is out because they're like revamping, like most of the Aldi's have been doing, but it's not going to open for like another month. And I went to Walmart and grocery shop one time and I was like, I can't with the money. Like, I spent double the amount and got half of the product. So yeah, I can't do that, and it's worth it to just drive. I don't think I made those glasses any better. Yeah, to just drive to a different store. So that's what I'm gonna go do. There's an Aldi's that is somewhere else, so I'm gonna drive there, take you guys along with me, and then do a grocery haul after. But first, I feel like this is not focusing very well. I don't know. But first, I'm gonna check the mail because I should have stuff in there. I don't know. We'll see. First of all, I'm sweating like the banshee. The banshee sweat. Don't know. Yeah, that was amazing. I hope our Aldi's looks like that when they're done because it was fantastic. Let's turn this down. I am so hot from lugging all that stuff in the car. So I'm gonna head home. It's gonna be a while and a trip. Plus Michael is at gymnastics with Jaelynn. It's mandatory for company members to take gymnastics class. I feel like this sun is like killing me. That didn't make it any better, but it's mandatory. Ooh, here we go, for them to take a gymnastics class. So we finally got our schedule situated where she can take a gymnastics class. So they're gonna be there. So I'm gonna have to unload all this stuff. Okay, guys. Finally got everything out. So it took all of this and then all of that I spent. I'm actually also getting dinner ready. 200 even. It was like 204. Well, I guess that's not even, Nakaya. Duh. Anyways, 204 something, or maybe, I don't know. Anyways, 200. Oh, I am so happy to be back at an Aldi. So yeah, I'm gonna go really quickly because the kiddos are on the way back home, and because there's just so much that I can't take a lot of time. But all of this is from Aldi's, no other trips. And yeah, I don't have a meal plan. There are a couple of the meats I'll be basing the meal plan off of that. If you guys want to see like a what we have for dinner video, let me know and I can work on starting that for you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I got eggs. I thought these were mangoes, but they're apricots. So yeah, hopefully the girls like them. I think of taco seasoning, pepperoni. I got some flour tortillas, seedless cucumber, I believe, are the ones that are individually wrapped. They're seedless. I got a thing of apples, 3-pack of peppers, some carrots, 2 squash. I want to try to make butternut squash soup. That's the only thing I'm going to say. Celery. Jalen's been loving them, so I'm very grateful for that. I got ham for like breakfast and just snacks. 2 things of ribs. Little thing of salmon. They only had 1. I wish I'd have gotten 2, but they had the large one too, and I didn't want to buy that one. Below that one is tilapia. I have some oranges. I have this. This is the best stuff ever. If you guys have an Aldi's and you like pumpkin, or not even pumpkin, honestly, if you like caramel stuff, it's so good. I want to go back and get some more of this. So I got this. I also got some more of these honey wheat pretzels that we bought a while ago and we loved. There's some ground turkey. There are some boneless, skinless chicken thigh or breast, sorry. There's some broccoli, steamed broccoli with cheese sauce. You can't really see. There you go. Got bananas, barbecue sauce. I got apple cider vinegar because we have freaking fruit flies and they won't go away. Pickles for the girls. I got some tomato, basil, and garlic pasta sauce. Let's see, chicken stock or broth. I don't know which one I got. Chicken broth, beef broth, apple peach applesauce, unsweetened normal applesauce, apple banana applesauce, and what is the light is glaring, sorry, that's the multi-fruit one. I also got pudding and chocolate and vanilla, a thing of Pringles, which will go like in 7 seconds in my house, another thing of the cooking spray. I got some tomato sauce. I also got some sweet corn. Got 2 things of the non-fat Greek yogurt from, I don't know what's the difference. Oh, this is Greek yogurt and this is like regular original yogurt. So 2 things of strawberry Greek yogurt and then 2 things of the other yogurt. One is strawberry, one is strawberry banana. I got some grilled chicken. The girls love this and I can't find it anywhere else. So yeah, I got chicken breast, like you know, deli meat, and then I got turkey breast. I got some honey wheat bread. I also got some Hawaiian rolls. I saw these and they're kind of like gushers because they have the little fruit like filled or whatever. So I got those for the girls to try out. I got some strawberry Pop-Tarts, like quick and easy breakfasts for a couple of times. Corn dogs, chicken nuggets. I think that's it over here. And then can move over here. I got some ramen because that's my favorite snack ever, you know. Forever I will be a ramen girl. I got some Alfredo chicken for like just a quick and easy dinner again for nights that we're like doing something we're doing a lot and we don't need a lot of food. Garden salad. I got some of these cheese dips for the girls. I got some vanilla wafers, some crackers. The girls love to munch on them, and then I also got some mini cheese sandwich crackers. Whoops. Yeah, and then a bunch of smaller stuff. So I got some, look, fruit fly. Can you see it right there? Freaking fly. Ah. Anyways, I think it's because we had bananas that they weren't that bad. I was gonna make pumpkin bread and apparently the flies were like nope, so I had to toss them. Anyways, sweet peas, tomato paste. I got some diced tomatoes. I got some refried beans, mixed vegetables, another thing of sweet corn, some Brussels sprouts. I got some veggie chips, not the straws, just the normal chips. I got some Fruit Loops or fruit rounds. 2 things of the crescent rolls. I got this glaze, strawberry and balsamic vinegar. I thought that would be pretty good on some type of meat like pork typically. Some Alfredo sauce, ranch dressing, real mayo, some apple butter. Love apple butter with toast, and they had a huge thing, so I'm like yes. 2 avocados, another goddamn fruit fly, tomatoes. I got the yellow cherry tomatoes and then the red grape tomatoes. I got some, what are these? Blackberries, right? Yes, blackberries. Strawberries. I got some of the tostadas. And then juice. Did I say avocados? I don't know. But I got those. I got mango orange juice, cranberry apple, 2 things of 100% apple juice, and then a mango tangerine. So that is it. Yeah, this should last us for a very long time. The only thing not mentioned or shown here are paper towels that I bought, but they're just in the living room and I'm tired and I don't want to get them. So yeah, I'm gonna get all this stuff put away, and then if it looks like anything worthwhile, I will show you guys what my pantry and refrigerator looks like.